Hi everyone, my name is Pen and you're welcome to my C programming language tutorial. Today we are going to write a program in C that has to do with coloring of text. All this while I've been writing programs, but one of the things that I know most of you might have been thinking, how do C language colorize text? Just like the way you code in other language like JavaScript, you can make a color of text to be blue, white, green, different kind of color according to your choice. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing in this video. But before we proceed, let me do a quick intro advert on my YouTube channel. Those of you all that have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please head over to https://youtube.com/hackpace, or you can click the link on my bio on my TikTok if you are hearing my voice from my TikTok channel, so that you can be redirected to my YouTube account, to my YouTube channel, whereby you can subscribe, okay, like and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will receive notification. Okay, that is enough for the sheet chat. Let's just go straight into coding. So I'll press Ctrl U to clear the screen. Okay, normally I like creating a clean environment for myself where I can write my code. So I'll do mkdir, which is called make directory. Okay, is a Linux command. So I'll make a directory called color and I press enter. So ls that's been created. So I will now do cd color, that's the name of the directory. Now press enter. You see the prompt $ has moved a bit forward, and we have the directory we just migrated into. So if I do something like ls, you will see that this directory is empty. There is no file inside it. Okay, so I'm going to use the touch command. Okay, the touch command to create a file. I will just call this file cl, which stands for color.c. okay, and I'll press my enter key. Alright, so there's an editor called Vim, which I normally love to use. That's my best editor because it has a lot of feature and is a professional editor. It's widely used by world-class programmers. You can as well try it out. Okay, so I will type the vim cl.c, okay, and I press my enter key. Now I'm into the Vim mode whereby I can start writing my code. So I will just include some library. Okay, I'll press I for insertion key so that the Vim can give me insertion mode. Now you can see it has changed to insertion. So I will do escape to write the $ symbol. Okay, that's it. So I'll include an header file called include, okay, stdio.h, and I close that. Press enter 2 times. Write my main code, open bracket. So I'm not accepting any argument from the terminal, so I'll put that void, open, then return 0 semicolon, press enter, and I close it, curly brace. So that's it. I'll just move this little stuff over here, this little stuff come in, so I can't get it, I can't get my hands on it. Okay, I'll just move it to the left. Okay, all right, so we move up so that I can start writing my code. So but before we start, I will just write a quick comment. Okay, what is a comment in any programming language? A comment is a code, okay, that is not run by your interpreter or your compiler. So a comment is always ignored by the system. Okay, when it's always ignored when the program is executing. But the truth about comment is that you use it to comment lines of code, so that whenever you come to that code, you can actually know what this code or particular section of your code is doing. Okay, so I'm going to use a command to demonstrate or write out list of colors. There are so many of them, but I'll just like few ones that we normally use regularly in writing code. So I will just move up here. I think it would be good to write it here. Okay, let me just move down. I think that will be the best. So I will do /**, which is a comment. So I will start writing. So we have the common, okay, the common ANSI, okay, ANSI color code. Okay, so this ANSI is the one we are going to look into first. So the ANSI color code, for you to use it effectively, there are necessary things first you need to know. Okay, how this code are being how they are being used, or the way you can use them, which you can see as prototype. So I will just come up here, I'll press my enter key. So at the top here of this, okay, I will write basic let me give it an uppercase B. Okay, so basic system, basic we say system, basic system for color, for coloring text. Okay, and that is it. So it should be 1xt, and that is it. So in these basics here, so we are going to have some few illustration on how to use it. So this is what we call, most times we do in it, we do \033, okay, and we do open square bracket, okay, and this I just did now, okay, this thing I just did now means something. Okay, it means escape. Okay, it means escape sequence. Okay, it means escape sequence to color formatting. Okay, to color formatting. All right, so this \033 open square bracket simply means escape sequence for color formatting. Okay, there's another one called we have to write it in upper letter. We'll call it color_code. Okay, let me just make this look same on same line. So press tab. Okay, I'll just use the space. Okay, so this means ASCII color code. That's what this typically means. Just the ASCII color code. And we also have another one that is called M. Okay, just the M. Okay, just the M. Okay, the M simply means it simply means marks. This M simply means that it marks the end of the color code. So it marks. Okay, put this on the same line. Marks. All right, it marks the end of the color code. So that's what that M means. And there's another one that is called \, okay, 033 open square bracket, and we have the 0M. We have the 0M. So what this one actually means is that it resets. Okay, it resets text color to default. Okay, it resets color code. It set color code to default. Okay, to what? Default. Okay, so maybe probably you write the text and you give it color. You know that color will always continue other text. So at the end of where you want the color to stop, okay, you can put this particular code \033 square bracket 0M. It indicates the end, and any text after that will be on normal color of the default system color. Okay, so these are the basic prototype. These are the 4 things you need to know. Basic system for coloring text. Okay, this first one is the escape sequence, which you must use. This is the color code. That means the code you are putting, and this is the M that marks the end of color, and this is the one that resets the color. So now let's type the common ASCII color code. Okay, common ASCII color code, the first is known as black. Black is always the first. Okay, let me just put space. Black. Okay, black is always known. Okay guys, black is always known as the first color coding. Okay, black is always known as the first color coding. All right, so that's what black is always known as. So I'm just gonna make this more nice. So let me just like take this off and say here will be color, and I'll put a tab, and here will be normal. I also put another tab, two tab, and here will be bold. Okay, bold. Oh, sorry, that was not spell of bold. Bold slash brightness slash bright. Okay, G H T. Okay, that's bright. So each of these we have the color they resembles, and the normal, and the boldness, and the brightness. So in the ASCII the ANSI color code, the first color is black. Okay, the first color is black, and the normal code for black is backslash. Okay, it's 033, which is a normal open square bracket. Okay, then the color code actually for black is 30. Okay, so we put 30 M there. We put 30 M. Okay, we put 30 M. So that 30 M now will indicate black. Okay, and the M there indicate that we end of this color we are trying to set up. Then we can go to the boldness and brightness, which you can fix backslash 033. Okay, and we can do square bracket 1 semicolon column, then we can do 30. Okay, and then we'll put the M. All right, so what this actually is doing is that the black color, the code color representing the black is 30, while the brightness you are setting, either that color is no color most time can be light, color most time can be bold, color most time can be bright. So the boldness and the brightness is on 1, is that 1 semicolon 30. So we press enter. Okay, press the enter key. Okay, we press the enter key, and the next color here is red. Red is 31, so RED for red. Tab, then we'll do the color code will always be 0 backslash, always be backslash 033 square bracket, and the color code here will be 31 M. Okay, so we move to the boldness. We also put the same thing, backslash 033 square bracket, then we put 1 for boldness and brightness, semicolon, and the 31 that represents red, M that marks the end of this color. The next one here is after red we have green, GREE. That's the next color. So green, the normal color code is backslash 33 square bracket, and the color code for green is 32 M. Press tab again, and we actually write the color code according to the brightness. Put the 33 square bracket 1 that indicate the brightness and the boldness. Okay, and we'll do semicolon, then we put a 32, which indicates the color, M, which indicate the color, actual color green. Press enter again. The next color is yellow. Okay, so if you are coding C, you have not learned this is something that you will want to learn, and in my next video I'm just gonna use it to write code. Okay, I'm gonna use it to write code. Okay, but today I just want to write it all out so that you guys know this. So before you watch my next video, make sure you watch this particular video. So the next one is yellow. So here the yellow code is we'll put the normal backslash 033 square bracket 33. m, which marks the end, backslash 033 square bracket 1 semicolon, then 33m. All right, so that marks the end as well. So the next color code here is blue. Okay, blue is the fifth one. Okay, and the normal, we have to do it as usual, 33 square bracket, then the color code here is 34. Okay, the Nitsushi arranged this thing very well, so it starts from 30 down to 37. Okay, so we put the same thing, backslash 033. Most people use hexadecimal in this backslash 033, but I prefer using the octa because that's backslash 033 is octa code. So 1 semicolon, then 34, and m that marks the end. Press enter. Then the next color is magenta. Okay, magenta. So backslash 033 square bracket, then 35 is magenta, and we'll write it again, backslash 033 square bracket 1 semicolon, then 35, m marks the end. Press enter. And the next color is clay. Okay, the color code here is backslash 033 open bracket 36 m. Okay, I'll press tab and backslash 033 square bracket 1 semicolon, then 36 m. I will press enter. Then the last is white. Okay, you might be wondering why is white not the first. Okay, so but just put white as the last. So these are the color code for white: 37 m that marks the end of the code, backslash 033 open square bracket 1 semicolon, then 37 m, and that is it. So these are the colors for, these are the 7 colors for common ASCII. Then the next color we're going to look is those that represent background. Okay, those that represent background. So guys, the next color code is the background color. So we say, I'll just write it in uppercase, back. Okay, I have to press I for insertion key, move front, and I'll press enter again. Okay, background. So these are color code that will represent sorry, I made mistake on my typing. Shift background. So this is called background color. So the background color, now we have to say, I have to put it well. Let me put tab. Okay, so press enter. So the first background color will always be as usual, black. Okay, and the color code is backslash 033 square bracket, and the background color here will be 40, then m indicates the end. So we do the other one. Red is the second, and backslash 033 and 41 is red, and the third one is green. Like 033 square bracket, that is 42 is the color. Press enter, and we have yellow. Backslash 033 square bracket 43 m. Okay, after yellow we have blue, backslash 033 square bracket 44 m. And after blue we have magenta, which is the next color, backslash 033 square bracket 45 m. So all these are background color. Okay, they change the background of where you want to write. Okay, most times you put your background any color, so these are the code color in C you use to change your background. So we have the with the cyan. Okay, I don't actually know what kind of color is this cyan. Okay, cyan, sorry, backslash 033 square bracket, then the color code is 46, M indicate the end. Then after that, the last one, which we know is white, and the backslash should be 033 square bracket, then 47 M. So these are the colors for all these things. Okay, these are the colors for all these things, and we'll go down, space, asterisk, / to indicate the end of all these comments. So you can oh, I think I did a mistake here. So what did I do here? Okay, I think I went and pasted this multiple times. Is that what I did? Basic color. Okay, I think I will just remove this. So just delete this one. I just went and pasted 2 times, so guys, don't worry about it. I just make mistake here. All right, but this is it up here. This is it. Okay, basic system for color formatting. Okay, so what I'll just do now, I'll just write a very simple first code. In our next video, we're going to do a lot of practice about it. So the code I'm going to write here is very simple. The one that will give us probably red, probably let's say white background and red text. So what do you guys think? So let's do it. So I'll do print f open bracket double quote. You have to put your double quote. Then I'll put my color code, which is backslash 033 open square bracket. So what is the background color of what is the text color? What we want the text color to be red, and red is 31. Okay, and we'll do semicolon, and what the background color to be white, and white is 47. So any color, any text we put, like we say I'll just say please subscribe to my YouTube channel by, okay, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube. Okay, all right. So after this, I will now do the end, because I want this to end. So I will also do the same thing, backslash 033 square bracket, and I'll just put 0M, that indicates the end of the code. Okay, so I will now do my backslash n for new line. Okay, and my double quotes, close brackets, and semicolon. Let's make this a little bit small so that it fits the screen. All right, and there it is. So that is it about this code. So let's just go run this code. So escape shift column WQ, come out of the Vim, clear my screen. So I'll use my GCC, okay, which I don't know if it's installed. Okay, so I'll just type which GCC, okay, is installed. Then I'll just do GCC, and the name of the file is cl.c-o-cl, and it compiled, but the comments, we have an error in the comment, so it's an error, so it can't compile because of that error. So we'll do cl.c. So let's go see where the error is coming from. Okay, here. So I for insertion, okay, we have to put asterisk here. So escape shift column WQ, Control P to bring out what I typed before, press enter, and it compiles. So do ls, we have the color code. So if I do ./cl, you see we have it. Please subscribe to my, okay, the color code will not change. Let's see why it works. So we'll go back to the vim.c. all right, so we just go back to the printf and see why it did not print. Yeah, it did not print because there was no M here. Okay, so I for insertion, M to mark the end. of this code. Okay, so I do my M. I have to put the M there. So I'll now go and run. Control P to bring out what I've typed. Compile again. ./CL. Now you see we have red text and white background. So this is how we do this in C programming language. You can see at the end of the YouTube it stopped there. Please subscribe to my YouTube. So guys, please make sure you subscribe and follow me up. My name is Pen and I'll be doing more of this. So in our next video we're going to write like reprogram, color our text. Maybe, you know what, I'm just going to write a server. Okay, I'm going to write a server like database. Okay, database program that will save record of students, this and that into the database. Okay, and we can as well secure that database by giving it a password. Nobody can go into the database without knowing the password. So this is going to be a more program we're going to write in our next video. So hope you guys subscribe and follow me. Okay, is this subscription you do to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell is what encourages me to make more of these videos and the next video which I'm going to make for sure. So thank you guys. It's been Education hanging out with you all. Have a nice day and bye.